Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a flower which you can use as a keychain or a bag charm. I used category 2 or sport weight yarn in 2 colors. You can use any yarn and a suitable hook. I used a 3mm crochet hook. Depending on the yarn and the size of hook that you're using, the size of the flower will vary. Now let's see how to make the flower. First, make a magic ring and then insert hook into the ring. Pull yarn and make one chain and then work 6 single crochets into the ring. You can close the ring by pulling the free end of the yarn. We'll not be joining at the end of each round, so you can place a marker at the first stitch to identify the beginning of each round. So in the second round, we'll be working 2 single crochets in each stitch. After the first stitch, I'll place a marker in the first stitch and then work another single crochet in the same stitch. And then work 2 single crochets in each of the next 5 stitches. In this round you should have 12 single crochets. Next is round 3. In this round we'll increase a stitch in alternate stitches. So if you work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch you will be working 2 single crochets. So you'll repeat this around. So in the first stitch I am placing a marker and then I'll work 2 single crochets in the next stitch, then 1 in the next stitch, and then 2 in the next. Repeat this around and you will have 18 single crochets. In the fourth round you will work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by 2 single crochet in the next stitch. In this round you will have 24 single crochets. In the next 2 rounds, that is round 5 and 6, you will work single crochet in each stitch. This is up to round 6, and then we'll start the next round. And in this round also you'll be working single crochet in each stitch, but you'll be working only into the back loop of each stitch. You can see there are 2 loops in each stitch. You'll be working only into the back loop. So work single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. In round 8 also you'll work single crochet in each stitch but into both the loops. In the ninth round, we'll decrease stitches. So here you'll work single crochet in 2 stitches. And then work a single crochet decrease. Insert hook into the next stitch, pull yarn, again insert hook in the next stitch, pull yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is called single crochet 2 stitches together or a single crochet decrease. Repeat this around, single crochet in 2 stitches followed by a single crochet decrease. You'll have 18 stitches in this round. This is the next round, which is round 10. Single crochet in the first stitch followed by a single crochet decrease. Then single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet decrease. Repeat this 4 more times. You will have 12 stitches in this round. Before we continue with the next round, we'll do the stuffing. Push in as much stuffing as possible. In the next round, work single crochet decrease 6 times. Then you can cut the yarn off, leaving a tail, and then thread this free end of yarn through your yarn needle, and then you can close the opening by weaving in through the stitches. Then hide the yarn end. Then we'll make the petals. Pull the next color through the front loop of round 7, any stitch in round 7. Then chain 1 and work single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Then single crochet in the next stitch. So alternate working 5 double crochet and 1 single crochet around. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet and pull up a long loop. Now you can cut the yarn off. You can also work a few chains and form this loop, or you can also skip it altogether and attach the keychain directly. Then hide the loose end of yarn. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.